Alright, what we're doing here, we're looking still how to solve inequalities. Here, if we've got an equation or an inequation involving brackets, and over here, if we've got the pro-numeral on both sides. So for this, what we do is over here, what do you think the first thing I'm going to do? I'm going to divide both sides. I'm going to divide them by 3 because 3 is multiplying this. So if we divide this side by 3, we divide this side by 3. We got 2, 3. 3 divided by 3 just gives us 1. So here on the left, we've got x minus 5 is less than 2 over 3. And then from there, we're going to eliminate this negative 5 by adding 5 to both sides. So we'll have x will then be less than 2 over 3 plus 5. And now, because I like to work in fractions, x less than 2 over 3 plus 5 as a fraction over 3 is 15 over 3. So x ends up being less than 2 plus 15, which is 17 over 3. So that's what we got for that one there. So pretty much the same thing. Because we've got brackets, just divide both sides with brackets to start with, and it's much easier to work with. Okay, on to this thing. It's just like with equations, what we do, we take all of our x's, or all the pronumerals we're solving for, move them over to the left, and all the numbers, and we move them over to the right. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it, so we're going to subtract 6x from both sides. So this will be 3x plus 5 minus 6x is greater than or equal to 6x minus 1 minus 6x. So then these two will eliminate each other, and 3x minus 6x gives us negative 3x plus 5 is equal to or greater than or equal to negative 1. So now from there we want to remove this plus 5, so we've got to add it to both sides, so we've got to subtract it from both sides. So negative 3x plus 5 minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 1 minus 5. So we'll have now 3x, which is negative, is greater than or equal to negative 6. Okay, one more step. We're going to divide both sides by negative 3, but because we're dividing by a negative number, what do? That's right, we flip the sign. This is going to be x will be less than or equal to 2. And that's what we do. So if we multiply, if we divide or multiply by a negative, we flip the sign or the symbol. So that's the way we solve those two.